This is FRQ number 2 for AP Calc 2025 exam, AP Calc AB. Let's get started. And by the way, if you need tutoring, feel free to reach out. The shaded region is given, which is bounded by fx that is marked over here and gx that is marked over here. That's a weird sign function. We have to find the area R and set up our calculations accordingly. Okay, so we know that area. This is clearly a top minus bottom thing, right? Because the G is always on the top and F is always at the bottom. And for our convenience, they have also given the point of intersection. I would say pretty straightforward. The area is going to be the integration from 0 to 3 of f and not fx, gx minus fx because it's top minus bottom dx. Since this is hybrid, all we need to do is go on Desmos and type this in. If we do that on the Desmos, it will look like this. So I just typed in fgx as a gx because Desmos can recognize function notation. You don't have to worry about the radian mode because it is by default always in radians. Fx is like this, and then I place integration from 0 to t of gx minus fx. I don't want to see this curse, for example, so I can hide so that I'm not distracted. So my answer will be 5.137. So I'm going to say that this is 5.137 over here. Okay, the next is the same region that we are seeing over here. For this solid, at each x, the cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is a rectangle with height x and the base is the region R. What is the volume of the solid? So for that, we have a formula, right? We have a formula that first off, since this is cross-section is perpendicular to x, the bounds will be of x. So again, 0 to 3. And the formula is height times sx times dx. And what is sx? S of x is just the difference between the functions, that is gx minus fx. And what is height? It is already given as x. So it will be x times g of x minus f of x dx. Once again, all we need to do is type this in Desmos. So honestly, I already have this set up. All I need to do is put another x here, and that will be my the volume. So this is my volume, which is 7.704. Right, the next is write but do not evaluate an integral expression for the volume generated when this region is rotated about the horizontal line y equal to -2. Right, y equal to -2 is obviously here. And when this is rotated about this line, it definitely creates a washer because there will be a void, right? So I'm interested in knowing the upper radius minus lower radius or the big radius minus small radius because it creates a washer. So my bigger radius will look something like this. Right, part C is asking if this is rotated about y equal to -2, what is the volume? Not what is the volume, but what is the expression? What is the expression? Y equal to -2 is right here. I think it's going to form a washer. For washer, I need the big radius that is going to be this much, which is, this is already 2 units, right? And this much is g of x because that is basically the function side. So R1 is 2 plus gx and R2 is going to be to this point, right? So this is already 2 and this height is now function fx. So this is 2 plus fx. All right. So we're going to write a washer expression here. So that's going to look like 0 to 3, of course, pi times R1 square minus R2 square. So that is 2 plus g of x whole square minus 2 times f of 2, sorry, 2 plus f of x whole square dx. And I'm pretty sure you can just type in gx and fx here, and that's your answer. Okay. The last one is, it can be shown that g prime is this. Find the value of x in 0 to 1 at which the line tangent to the graph f is parallel to the line tangent of the graph g. So basically, I want when is g prime equal to f prime, right? And for our convenience, they have given g prime. What is f prime? Pretty straightforward. From here, I can find f prime as simple as 2x minus 2. So I want when is f prime and g prime equal. This is just the Desmos thing, right? All I have to do is say that 1 plus pi cos pi x should be equal to, what was that? 2x minus 2. So 2x minus 2. Because line tangent of graph is parallel. Parallel means same slope. Same slope means same derivative. So let's type this in. Honestly, I already have g and f here, so I don't even need to find the or type in the derivative. I can just say that when f prime x is equal to g prime x. Like I said in FRQ1 as well, avoid typing equations because it gives vertical lines. Rather convert this in expressions. So bring g prime on the left side, and there you go. These are your answers. Remember that our answer should be between 0 and 1. So I'm going to say that 0.676. That's my answer. So I'm going to say that the value of x is 0.676. All right. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you need tutoring, feel free to reach out. Thank you.